So on this episode, we're going to be showing you a few tips that we do. We're not saying it's the right thing to do,
No.
But it's what we do, and it might help new caravanners work out what they need to do and what they can look at. Just some options, anyway.
Or watch us and work out what not to do.
That's an option. A lot of things come up, like just mirrors and what do you wash the van with, and cutlery, and just all those bits and pieces anyway. So we'll show you all of that. So I hope you enjoy the episode, and if you've got any comments, please let us know. Cheers. Thanks guys. So another good thing to do is check to make sure nothing's out of place or rattling around in your cupboards too much. I'm just going to go in the van and just see if everything's all okay. But I'm also going to sit in the van while Gibbo's going to drive just a little bit. Off we go.
Alright.
Alright, so there's one thing I forgot. I didn't put my trays back in the oven properly. Everything's fairly good. Didn't realise how dirty it was, hey?
Oh, it's ridiculously filthy. And I've already sprayed it with the pressure washer first.
Yeah.
I'll go over it again now.
So you happy with the setup? Like the cleaning cloth?
Yeah, it's good.
So we're using these products on the van. So we've used this one for a wash and this one just as spray it on and just hose it off. But I think she looks pretty cool. And you can see the water just run straight off, so it's got a nice shiny surface now. Happy days.
Our kilos chairs have arrived. Seen them on I don't know, social media somewhere, and thought, what a great idea. They're a little the size of that, so light, keeping two of them in the back. If you've seen the other chairs we've been keeping in the back of the ute, it's just been ridiculous. So we thought we'll give these a crack. They're not cheap, but if they're half as good as what they're supposed to be, it's going to save a lot of weight for us in our car and a lot of area. So we're just going to give it a crack on putting it together. Now this is, believe it or not, this is the bigger one. This is the high back. They're supposed to be so strong. The reviews were incredible. So this is the high back, and we chose the high back with arms. So it's supposed to be quick and easy to put together. Oh, yeah. I don't think you can make much of a mistake there. It's all seems like good sturdy framework. Oh, bit of damage. We'll talk like this now. Alright. So that's the ground. That's obviously the ground. Yeah. Alright. It's really not that hard. Alright, then that'll go on there. Okay. Now that goes on there. Alright, same on the other side. Okay. Put that on Hey. Oh, I can picture this being really quick when you get used to it. Yeah. Voila. Bloody hell, they're light. Oh, actually, that's it.
Is that alright?
It's sort of very tight on you, but that is like, it's like ergonomic or something. Like it's like it's got back support and everything. That's nice. That feels really good. You probably wouldn't want to be a real big bloke, but that's pretty perfect. I'll tell you what, just for a just to keep in the back of the ute for them every now and again things. You know, when you great, I reckon. I'm real happy.
Excellent. Thumbs up.
Bloody oath. Yeah, okay. Very impressed. Let's pack her up. It looks like a mess, doesn't it? But you can't stuff it up. It all just goes in one spot. Alright. Let's get all that together. I actually had a rubber band around it, so maybe we should do the same, or I'll roll it up in this. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, boy. Easy as that.
So a lot of people ask what cutlery and plates that they use in the van. Seems to be a common question for people that are just coming into the van scene. So we just use a picnic set, which is light, and you've still got the metal plastic handle. I think they're the best thing to use, frankly, mainly because of the weight. The plates we use are just melamine, and they are from a company called Barrel, and they're an Australian design. And again, we like them. They serve our purpose and lightweight. A lot of people prefer different stuff, but this is our choice. And yeah, so there you have it. Alright, power and solid hose.
Yeah, that's done.
Gas bottles off.
Yep.
Chains and brakes and everything ready, done,
Yep,
connected.
lights. Yep.
Showing green. Awning, have a checklist.
Brakes off.
Yep.
Yeah, the bikes, I've taken the
The main lock off.
main lock off so it doesn't rub while we're travelling. It's only while we're parking here.
Yeah. Bayonet plug down there.
Yes, no, thank you. Haven't done that. It's always something we forget.
We've done the dump point.
Yes. We certainly have.
Check the screws on the awning. Double check the.
Oh yeah, righto. Yeah, that's down, that's tight, yep. Yep.
Alright, then we have to put the mirrors on. If we can
Yeah, I'll do that
later.
in a minute. Yeah.
Alright, so inside checklist. We've got to bungee the TV back. Well, check the hatches first.
Oh, sorry, no. Do it in order. My bad. Go on, what?
Bungee the TV back.
No, I haven't done that as yet. Actually, haven't even started anything
No.
on the inside. Check.
Sirocco fans locked in place.
Yep.
Normally we'd check the aerial booster and the booster and the aerial, but we haven't used it since we've been here, so that's fine. And check all the window latches and whatnot.
Which we know we've done.
Yep.
We haven't even used the others, but yeah.
Table back.
Yeah.
And door, like lock it in place. Put all bits and pieces away. Close cupboards and secure loose items. Now the shower, we've got hatches in here that need closing, like that little one. I'll clean that out one day.
Yeah, one day.
And I actually leave those in, probably not ideal, but I haven't had any trouble. And we've been over dirt roads, take our shower off and wrap it in our towels. Spin it around so you don't get any marks on your wall. Lock the door in place. Oh, back to checklist. Oh, in the microwave, I kept the original box and I put the plate back in the box. It's secure. All right.
Ready for the hatches?
Yep.
What are you up to? Yep. Yeah, no,
Just
that's
check it's secure.
locked. I'll close it. Close it off. We haven't even used this one, but I'll check it from last time or something just in case. Yep, that's all good.
And we've put the table back, and I've emptied the fridge and we've turned it off. We've just got a bit of ice we can take out.
I'm gonna put that in the freezer in the van, in the ute.
Everything's pretty secure. I've done the oven. Check that your stove switch is off. And I think we are done.
Baby needs a good clean.
Yes, after that gorgeous clean we gave it before. Step
Look,
back.
of course.
Okay.
That's the end of the checklist.
Jockey wheel is off and we just have to put mirrors on. Check all your hatches.
I was in the middle of doing the other one. You called me over, I think. In the middle of doing something going over. That's how quick and easy it is. Well, you always do that last walk around, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. And these mirrors we haven't had an issue with. A lot of people complain when trucks pass that their mirrors fold back.
No, I don't know what they're on about.
No, I don't know if it just comes down to the type of car.
I think they should buy a Triton. Get rid of your Toyotas, your Fords and all that, get a Triton.
Oh, it hasn't let us down yet, but
They're all good.
and we're about to talk potty talk. So we use the Theford liquid in our toilet. It works great.
Well,
but
we thought it was great.
yeah. The chemical smells really strong. So even though it masks everything else and it does its job, breaks everything down, I don't know, it's just too strong, or it's not real pleasant anyway. So some of you have probably already seen this advertised, but this Pro Treat, right, are little satchels, no fuss. We put in 1.7 litres of water. You're supposed to put between 2 and 3. Just pop that in, throw it in, and we have smelt nothing.
Unbelievable.
It works brilliantly. So
unbelievable. And trust me, I've been testing it.
so free plug to these guys.
Yeah.
It is biodegradable.
Yeah.
It is 100%.
Australian?
Yeah, Australian made. 100% environmental friendly.
Win-win.
Yeah. Eliminates and removes the odours, breaks down the waste and paper quickly, septic tank safe. So if you haven't already, give it a go.
Yeah, brilliant. I can't say enough about it.
Yep, we're on a winner. See you guys.
Bye, thanks for watching.